they want me to find the area of the triangle with this point, and this point. So even if you wanted to give it a quick sketch, over 2 up 0 is about there, over 2 up 4 is about there, and back 3 down 3 is about there. So I get my area of a triangle formula. Half, now these are just kind of fancy brackets, just to remind me at the end to always give a plus answer. Area can only be a plus. So half of x1 times y2 minus x2 times y1. The problem is we have 3 points. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up the full triangle and we're going to move it. We're going to move one of the points onto 0, 0. It doesn't matter which one. I think the easiest one to move here is the 2, 0. So I'm going to subtract 2 from the x and I'm going to leave the y alone. So if I picked up this triangle, I haven't affected the area. I'm just moving the whole triangle though. So I need to subtract 2 from this one and leave the y alone. I need to subtract 2 from this one and leave the y alone. So you can see I'm constantly just picking up the full triangle and moving it. So now these are my x1, y1, x2, y2. And now I can start filling into my formula. So into my calculator, be very careful. Half of x1 times y2 minus x2 times y1. And just take your time filling that into your calculator. You need to have all the brackets. And when you fill it in, we end up with, that's a 0. So I'm just doing it bit by bit, but you could enter it all into your calculator. We end up with half of 20, which is 10 units. And even if I got a minus answer there, I would have to give it as a plus answer. Area has to be a plus. So that's the last video. We've done finding points on a line,